Monday, Abi? Monday now.
Yeah, very correct, very correct.
Because that's you get something where we do yesterday, where we go, he says, Sheyi Law,
Fast and funny.
Fast and funny, when he do for inside Eko Hotel, for those of us where they inside Lagos State. We go there yesterday, so you see they do me like weekend, because I never too wake. You understand? Now that kind to 2 I come out for there yesterday, to 2 a.m. because it was an amazing show. Very, very lovely show. Shout out to you, Sheyi Law. You were amazing. It was a very well-organized, well-packed show. All this one why they talk, I still never greet them. Now sleep. help me.
Yeah, my people, waiting my word, they try to be so now. Welcome to Monday Paddy show. Truly, the thing happened yesterday too much for her, but she not go forget. Say she too now she don't come so to make sure say on her enjoy her as she go put the whole story where they grant give on her and me go join her give on her my own together we go give on our own and you know.
And brother, don't worry. Just continue to catch me. Don't worry yourself.
Why?
Just, anything where you talk is okay. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, so if my one need to get pillow, take sleep, I beg viewers, wanna bring pillow. First person to bring pillow, we go give a voucher.
My brother, viewers too far. Before I enter road, reach here, go back. We get pillow for you.
We get pillow for you. And my
don't
will
worry.
sleep.
Don't worry yourself.
First time my go to sleep for the show. When it was that?
Brother, this thing and impromptu sleeping. If you just move.
You know what you do? If you sleep, if your time reach to talk, I'll wake you. When you talk finish, you sleep.
No go sweet. You go to cut my sleeping. No worry, I go hold on. I go hold on. Welcome everybody to the show, Paddy. Beautiful 10th day for the month of August 2015. How your weekend be? We sure say everybody gets plucky, very, very wonderful weekend. Ours was packed full, entertainment here and there. But well, we thank Baba God and say we day here this morning to make everything all right. So my guy, my G, Lucky Child, and myself, Mayowa, we day on top of the matter this morning. I didn't really know what have happened. To me, I'm sorry, law. But hopefully by tomorrow we go all day here together. Maybe tomorrow is all of us go just day.
Abi?
More just day.
Maybe family team.
Maybe your family.
You don't start money.
Family they give each other money. You give me money.
Hey Jesus. Family
start. They give each other
She don't start again.
You give me
She don't start again. She don't start again. I will sing for you. Maggie money. The last I give money you accept her. I gave you money on my birthday. Did you accept it? Mayowa, tell the world.
Lucky Child, stop it. Stop it. Because, no, let me tell you something. Stop it, Lucky Child, because I will tell you something. That money where you give me, you collect them back when the show finish.
Mayowa.
Wow.
1.
Wow.
Mayowa. 2. Omolambe. 3. Omolambe. 4. Another see the mother they get. In short, I finish all of them. Am I not a good guy? I've been gonna clap for me for house. I know people they clap. Go lucky, go lucky. Can't tell me the see. 1.
This one no day. Come out.
How do I know that they bring it? How much is that?
Because I see your money.
How much is that?
More go break when they come back.
If they burn you well
after this show. Ask me for your money.
I don't give you. Now after the show, I don't give you.
If they burn you, will ask me.
Behind camera now.
Mo go show. Ask me.
Our bingo they behave well.
You know
too.
bingo. You know so that year when we been getting Nitel line. I still remember our Nitel line for Kaduna that time. 062 232 988.
Wow.
Now be our number.
You don't tell.
062 232 988. Now me, my friend called me one time, our dog they back. Now he asked me, my one session on a bingo. I said, what's wrong with you? Well, dog na dog. You know matter.
Okay, the dog
this one na session.
No, seriously.
The one when we get here na bingo.
Wait, that dog. You don't see the one where they do. The one we get they do well too.
What do they do?
They drink.
This guy don't get sex.
Oh, they drink.
Oh Lord. Okay, now give us yan. Make we enter the gist. Monday morning, while we are on
Gingering
Monday morning.
Story team.
Please, we are very professional. Monday morning. Yes,
yeah.
The morning. If you ask me for this money, if I was you.
Yan. You go yan first.
All right, so make I just enter inside the first gist for this morning. Now, this 6-year-old boy, it's a beautiful gist. I don't know whether to call him miracle or to call him luck or to call him competence or incompetence. I don't know as the case may be, but this 6-year-old boy then go vacation, him and his parents for inside. Now, this place where they go, now the boy name now Ian Head. They are citizens of the state, Ian Head, but then go South Africa for vacation. So as they can't go mall, you know this escalator, where the thing be like staircase, but not be staircase, but like electronic one, they move.
Yeah, you could just there to call a movie.
You could just there on top, you could just they move like staircase, you could turn jump. Personally, me, I get phobia for them. People will know me. Instead of me to use escalator, I go use staircase.
Serious?
And they tell you this thing. I don't like them at all. That's me, personally, I get phobia for them now. So this...
Good luck.
This...
I say good luck to you, your phobia.
My phobia. I know they like them at all because somehow, anytime when I climb up, I always feel like say my leg go
come out.
Go hook.
Go hook. Okay. And that the thing happened to this boy. So
and that the thing will happen to this 6-year-old boy. Now this 6-year-old boy, it be like say the thing been get fault, can't stop. So a leg can hook inside. They spent over 3 hours trying to remove the boy leg. In fact, they had to destroy the thing for them to remove the boy leg. The doctors contact say, assuming they spend extra 20 minutes, they're going to need to cut the boy leg.
Jeez.
But fortunately for them, they had to stay in South Africa for another about quite a number of weeks for them to begin to treat the boy because he had to go through 2 surgeries to rearrange his bone. Because the thing break. The papa said when they come out the leg, say see blood everywhere. Say he just they look, say remain small then for cut this boy leg. But now, in fact, when they do the operation, doctors talk say possibility they say if you no work again. But 8 weeks later, don't they try, stand on the leg, small, because CP open and dead boy leg. But it be like say everything go day okay. Yeah. So me, they felt very happy for this family. Yeah. Because now holiday then go do. And
well, you don't want to turn something else.
You want to turn something else. But I did happy for them because right now as we talk, this particular guy they call here on head, he did very, he don't they recuperate well. He don't they he don't they do okay.
Don't they do okay. Yes. So I advise our people where they use escalator. Now be that staircase where my wife just explained. So if you match up, like when I go shopping mall, you did that place where I beg if you get phobia for them, as my wife get, it go help you. Instead of follow escalator, go follow step. But if you know say you like escalator, watch the moment you need to move out of the escalator. Because at that point, neither accident they happen. But we thank God for the life of that young boy.
You know the funny thing is in a 6-year-old and children like to play. So be careful. Even if it's okay. Escalators are easier. They are easier to use and everything. Yeah. But just be careful. Your children, make sure say you hold them well and tell them what to do and what not to do. Because some of them go play without knowing. The thing now electronic. If it spoil at any time, if it stop at any time, if it malfunction, thank you. Not be anybody fault. So make you just educate your children, take care of them. When you and then this one not be saying no take care of your children, but and that's something where they don't they used to. Now the thing get a small malfunction. So it can be anything.
Yeah. So you wait to say that Jagolova, I go to plot up and not go plot on escalator. Now full step.
But just we're glad to say this guy don't do.
We are so happy that this little boy leg, lost him. And my so we get many stories for grant today.
Let's go.
This story with the grant so a very serious one based on the kind of things that happen now for our country. Our bank matter them, fraud or no fraud and the rest. So EFCC now don't grab 2 bank officials over 3.6 billion naira fraud. 3.6 billion naira as he plenty rich. 2 bank officials for one particular new generation bank because they don't mention the name of the bank actually. But these 2 officials, they don't be do anything that they call syndicate parole. In the sense that they go gather some kind, what they call e-payment. This e-payment now for they use that from agricultural firm actually. So as they gather them, then they send them
from Ministry of
Agriculture and Rural
Development.
And this guy, their name now Kato Ifrahimu Unyam and Godwin Odali. Their picture they show for there so. And these 2 guys, they don't be succeed, but they never see the money get.
Say the thing where they be say, these 2 guys, these 2 of them, now them carry somebody where they make it pose as person where
before they even reach that one, they don't already send the e-payment, train a Federal Minister of Agriculture and Rural. They don't already send her. So Federal Ministry of the bank can't suspect some kind of foul play. They can't call Federal Ministry.
Now, waiting and they try to tell you be that say.
Then
you
Federal
need
Ministry,
to get...
they hear the story, not me, it's not my story.
No, I won't argue.
Not be my story.
I won't argue.
Let me tell them the story.
Tell them.
So Federal Ministry, the bank can't call Federal Ministry of Agriculture say, on a make any e-payment because we they suspect monkey hand inside okra soup. Oh. They can't check. They say, no, we no do. But these two guys, Odili and Ifrahimu, they don't know say the bank don't they do underground work. So they can't call EFCC to investigate. So when EFCC they investigate, this guy they still carry on because the first money where they send e-payment for now 1.4 billion naira. So now they can't do another one. So this is what they do now. That person now where they can't carry now. Now they call Oloko. This Oloko, the guy Abiola Oloko, he said he don't get work. So they can't say they won't give him work. They can't give him ID card of Ministry of Agriculture and Rural. So now in they pose as the person where they work for rural and agricultural one thing, so that if he make this money. And the next money they open at 1.398 billion naira. But the funny thing be say, they not see this money get, but EFCC don't grab them. EFCC, Economic, how do they call this?
No be your story.
Economic Financial Crime Commission, EFCC. EFCC don't grab them. Now the good news be that we happy say these two people will want spoil this country with fraud. They don't hold them, and so they go to hold many.
You know, say some people get mind.
Yes.
People get mind.
Serious
you
mind.
could just carry e-payments, poise, like say you be representative from Ministry of Agriculture. Go give them, they give you 1.4 billion naira e-payment. Do you honestly think say they no go cross-check them? Not be 1 million, not be 2 million, 1.4 billion. Are you well?
Well, I believe say anything where anybody want to do, somebody don't do and don't succeed. So they feel don't succeed before, or they know somebody will put them through.
Or their mind, they tell them, say, do and. That's how therefore they work. Because then they tell you, do this thing. Nothing. Do this thing. You do and finish now.
As I tell do that thing, why they give you my money, like say, I don't know what they do.
I beg.
I collect my money more.
Make we go break, Jare. Because these two people say where they go. You know, say sometimes this other guy now where they say where they say make him pose. Yes. You know, say they give him fake ID card.
Yes.
As worker for Ministry of Agriculture.
Now passport
yes, but they give him fake ID card.
They say make him be Femi Babatunde. That's the name for the fake ID card.
Okay.
Femi Babatunde.
This particular guy now, he no get work. Now he then talk for him brain, then give him the idea, say, Gah!
Yamosh!
Gah!
Yamosh!
Gah!
Yamosh!
More run this package. He said, greed. Greed. He don't see billion. He say, oh yeah, na more runner. He run and finish, now then babam. No go break.
Well, good luck to him, Sha.
We are back.
Yeah. Nice time with my house. We'll go for the break. Yeah, very lovely, baby. Oh, no. I will not go, no.
If you like. Psych me from Nancy Nessie. Sorrow way. Many phone.
Psych if you like, but I go know one thing about my yawa. Good baby girl. Mayoski.
They give me ringtone under now. Still on top Yandi Yan, Jare. NAFDAC. They'll tell them NAFDAC we're done.
NAFDAC we're done.
Tell them we're done.
Now we're done.
We're done, NAFDAC you have tried.
Don't worry, NAFDAC we're done.
All right, this 24-year-old boy, what they call Victor Ebuka Okeke, when he come out from inside, Inji Coca for inside, Inji Coca.
They
don't talk about for my ear before I go call one thing now. Inji Coca for inside Anambra. Now, they don't arrest this guy because of expired food products. For inside in one shop apartment, now in they go see different food. The guy give him get drum of water when he go chook the expired food so that the old paper
go peel come out,
go come gum new one put. So they don't arrest.
So they change expiry dates every now and then.
Yes, but they don't catch them. Different things like Maggi sauce, all this pepper sauce, all this corned beef, all those things. Then they see for inside in place. In talk, come out, come confess. Say okay, true. And they get them from Ghana.
See where you go get them from. You not get them from Malaysia. You not get them from Singapore. Now nearby house.
Doesn't matter. Expired food is expired food.
Yeah, well, that's just it.
So So they don't grab them last.
They grab 'em.
1 day for the thief.
You own warehouse now, 1 room.
99 day for the thief.
1 day for the owner.
Moving on.
But now the thief, they enjoy pass. So all the days where the thief gets. Owner can't get only one. Moving. I don't go thief.
You go thief.
I don't go thief. You know the last song? You go thief.
I don't go thief.
You be thief.
You be thief.
But moving on. Man shows scar as he received from protecting his sister. Yeah, one guy, say every young man for family need to be hero. You get some kind of people who go come, they want beat your younger ones. As the senior brother, you need to defend them. Now this guy takes make him defend his sister where the boyfriend they sabi the beat. So as the guy confront, say, leave my sister alone. Now the boyfriend, 9 for a hold for hand, he got take and stab this guy for chest. See now the thing crossing chest like that. So not be say in fight any fight. Now divide. You want rescue his sister, come up for this boyfriend and now get that scar for his chest. So a month ago, now this happened to Ram when he was protecting sister from the abusive boyfriend. Now really nasty scar then call him because once he pull in shirt, even from far, you go see the line as he cross him. He no do him for jazz, he no do him for anything. Now just to protect his sister, now he get that thing. So Mayowa.
I'm happy because what if the thing sliced through his heart?
It's
because besides protecting his sister, what if the thing wound him? What if he kill him?
You know one thing at that moment, you know go want think all that.
No, you don't understand. I understand what he's trying to do. I'm just saying there is more to be grateful for.
Yeah, thank you for that.
There's more to be grateful for because
more to be grateful for.
He could have killed him.
Yeah, he put in life for line and he survive him. But the thing be say, I don't know what thing do that guy. For like know what thing do the guy.
No, but well, maybe in the process of the guy they fight his sister, they beat him. Naomi is stepping. So the thing can't cut him.
So the moment the guy cut and the guy eye too can't open. You know say guess what kind
because you know say you will be tried for murder.
Yes.
As simple as that.
You be tried for murder.
Yes.
That's the
so
way. How do you talk about pigeon? You be tried for murder.
They go lock you young pie person.
Thank you. That's the word. They go lock you pie person. I be tried for murder. If you like English anyway.
All right, so now we get on top Yan this morning.
Yes.
But we get another gift voucher from Chocolat Royale for one of our lucky persons that we go chop on today. And you need to understand, say this particular voucher, it lasts for only 1 week. So if anybody will win them today, you have from now up until Friday to use them.
Yes.
You have from now up until Friday to use a 4,000 naira worth of voucher for anybody for inside Chocolat.
We will advise you make you use them at once.
Yes, it's better for you.
So you come and go, not go day. Come that very day, use everything.
All right, but I go just ask you the question now, so that by the time I ask you now, we go laugh the laugh, come back, and then I go ask you again. But for now, make I just give you the question real quick. Make you go on top Twitter. Go on top Twitter. Tell us 2 stories where we talk about last week. 2 things where we talk about last week. Go on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Tell us 2 things them where we talk about last week. Maybe for know the ones where they hear and the one where know they hear. You understand me now? But don't forget, so you get up until now, till Friday, to use up your voucher for anybody where we say we give today.
Yeah.
Funny pictures,
and
videos.
And funny
laugh
videos.
the laugh, please.
Mayowa, I challenge you to it. Do only 2 sounds, not be popular ones. So, Omako Animani may do. I will. Good girl, but that my money again so. Keeper. No, I mean, no.
With or without your goodie girl, I will keep it.
Hello.
What's wrong with you?
Hello.
Look, let me tell you something.
Oh yeah, one more shout. If you do one more shout,
if you do one more shout,
I'll give you.
Oh yeah.
OBJ. OBJ.
OBJ na animal. They worry you.
But why can't we shout? No,
because you get something similar. You want me to lock?
No.
Yourself, oh.
You don't understand that. OBJ na person.
Na person waiting.
OBJ.
Na waiting.
All the brokers, journalists.
The question when I ask you again. 2 stories from last week. Send and come our Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Follow us for Instagram at Mayowa Lambe at Ogbolo. Follow the station at Wazobia TV.
At Laugh Lucky Child.
And I go talk. Why are you jumping?
You take go forget.
No, why?
Don't be annoyance.
No, why?
Don't be annoyance.
No, because I feel you're invisible. No means I don't forget.
Sorry, ma.
I don't. Wait till I talk now.
My website, my Twitter, my website.
Okay, so follow at Instagram, Mayowa Lambe, at Ogbolo, and at Laugh Lucky Child. And then follow the station at Wazobia TV NG. We did here for you. All the episodes where you miss, go check out for inside YouTube. That now one expo for you to chop Lady Chocolate or something. But don't forget, send us 2 stories where we say we talk last week. Send them come at
At Paddy Paddy.
Wazobia Paddy. Send them come there on top Twitter. And now so we take back our kaya, you know, and fall out from inside the studio this morning. Thank you.
Make sure say you send those questions quickly because the voucher now for this week and we won't give them.
Only from Monday to Friday. So the person will chop today, you get today to Friday. If you chop tomorrow, you get tomorrow to
Friday. This week
yes,
now.
Just this week.
So from now to Friday, make sure say you follow us, get the question correct, come Chocolate Royale, come enjoy with the voucher. 4,000 naira voucher.
No, don't talk like that. I don't like the way you don't talk just like that. The voucher is worth 4,000 naira. Specific.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.